Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a video from TM Tuesday morning. So first I want to show this. I got this on clearance and this is the Tim Holtz on the Edge Steampunk and it was $7.99 with 20% plus 25% off. So it's like $5 I think. And I only got this because you can use this for a couple of different things. It's masculine, so, and it's steampunk. And it's kind of nautical, mechanical kind of a thing. Anyway, so I got these two recollections. I saw Shishi share these, and I had looked at them and kept meaning to pick them up. I think I got some when they came out about 2 months ago. These says June. We had some a while back, but they were in the other shape. Anyway, these are $1.99 in micro beads. One is champagne and one is clear. So the champagne looks like it's gold, and the number on this one is 1993383. The lights, and then the clear is 1993382. So these come out handy for a lot. It's 3.2, so it's a nice size for $2 of these micro beads. So in my other video, I showed you this. Excuse me. This, and it was $9.99. So of course when I first saw Ramona from Cherished Treasures channel, and then I saw Kendra from 504 Pretty Things, and then I saw Gracie from Gracie 21. So everybody was posting it. They had got it too. I got mine on 4th of July. They all had it for $4.99. I paid $9.99, and I was already on the fence because when I was looking at it and I went home and I watched only one person, I only seen one video on this, and the lady struggled with it. So that's why I was like, I paid $9.99, I don't know. But then when I saw them with $4.99, I took it back to my Tuesday morning, and they wouldn't honor the price. I showed them the SKU and everything. So the reason why they couldn't was because our Tuesday morning has been having these out for over a month. We got them, I think, like around the end of May. They had a June sticker on them, but they actually came out like around Memorial Day. So because it had a different SKU number, it had a 19 something number, not a 200. Just like if you look right now, the tag punch and the confetti punch, I think are $9.99 if you got them, if your store's got them like in June. But if you got a July sticker on it, they're $4.99. So that's the difference. So they couldn't honor it because it had a different sticker. So she told me, I just returned it, and I just said that's okay, because I had called and I knew some other Tuesday mornings were getting them in, and they were getting them in a July shipment. So I knew they were going to be $4.99. So I just went and got mine today for $4.99. So anyway, that's what it makes, and it makes those little globes. You can put the little lights in them, but I'm also looking at it to do some other projects with that. But we'll see how it works. But at $4.99, I won't be as frustrated or mad as I would be if it was $9.99. I also picked up this Artsy, and I had hauled, and I think not the last video, but the video before that from Tuesday morning, the little ink pens that you put these inks in. So I was pleased to go ahead and pick this up. This is the gold and the silver metallic inks that you can put in the little ink pens that I had that you can put by Artsy that would clear, and you put the ink in it, and then you can do designs with it. It's 2012293. I don't know which way this camera's gonna go because it's been acting crazy the last couple of times. They have got a whole new shipment of Tim Holtz stuff out again. They had, I don't know if I'll post it on Instagram, but they have a whole bunch of stencils, the little tags maybe about this size with the stencil, and then it has some 5 tags on the inside of it, and they were $4.99. I think like 2 stencils and 5 tags. Then they had the very thick chipboard tags. They had a ton of these back out again. So if you missed them, they're back out. Yep, with a July stamp on it. I picked this one because I don't think I got this one the last time. I think I passed it up because I thought I had this one, but I didn't. But I'm gonna double check. And this one's $4.99, 1981414, and that is the sewing one. But I didn't get it initially because I remember saying, oh, I think I had that one at home, but when I came back, I didn't. Picked up some new ephemera packs. I showed you in the last video. I picked up like 4 different ephemera packs, and today is Monday. They put out 4 more, 5 more, 6 more. So I just figured I'd get all of them. Well, still a couple more I didn't get, but I got the majority of them because I didn't get 2 of them. Anyway, this one is Happiness is Homemade, and that's what they look like. Sorry about the glare, but it's in the plastic. I don't believe I have that one. And that number is 1958719. And again, these are all $1.99. This one is called The Great Outdoors. It's Carta Bella. And that number is 1958726. And again, these are all Echo Park and Carta Bella. This is Carta Bella. And this one is Are We There Yet? So the first, actually, you know what? Yeah, only one of these is Echo Park, but you know how they do. But these all have Carta Bella on them compared to the ones I had yesterday. They all just had Echo Park. So you know how to just every company make everybody else company. Anyway, this one didn't have a sticker on it, but you can see what's in it. This next one says Beach Day Carta Bella. And they all have like 33 pieces. And this is 1958716. This is Home Sweet Home Carta Bella. 1958724. Last but not least, Old World Traveler. And that one is 1958725. So that's the ones for those. They brought out a whole bunch of, Momenta dies. They had, a lot of them had the 2 different cacti. One was just a succulent cactus, one was a mini cactus. They had the diamond one, which I already have. They had the notebook one thing with the tab on it, which I have. They had the some feathers. They had a fox, a deer. And these are the ones, most of them are repeated. And I'm not sure if I had this. For some reason, I think I may. So if I do, I'm going to take that one back. But this one is 2012208, and it's called Doilies. 2012208. Yeah, I think I may have that one. And I know I don't have this one, though. I was glad to get this one. This is the mini combo. This has the houses on it, and it has trees. So it's 15-piece set, and this one is 2012213. So that has your little house row. You can stamp them. You got your trees, so you can make a little miniature scene. And it's flat, so it's not a 3-dimensional one, but I'd still like that. And gosh, there was a couple more. I'm trying to remember what else they had that was different. They put out a couple more Bo Bunny dies. And at first I thought this was a clock, but this is the picture, like the one that goes with that little toy. I have a big one of these, so I'm glad to have a little one. I have a Tim Holtz one, the steel rule one, but I have this one now, so I like this one. And it is called Picture That, and it's 2004094 for $4.99. And this one is Fancy Frames, Nested Fancy Frames, 2004090. And you actually get 6 pieces in that. I like the color because it helped find them. And this is Lovely Leaf, 2004093. So that's those leaves. And then I picked up a couple of Boston folders. I don't think I have this one. This Project Life is 2. One of them is like a 3x4, and the other one looks like a 4x6, which I'm assuming that's what it would be since it's Project Life. I gotta double check to see if I don't have that one. I think I do. The name was Playful, and it is 2004117. Actually, now that I read the title of it, I think I have that one, so that will go back. And this one, I know I don't have by Studio Calico, and this is just called Amelia. Yep, for $1.99. It's 2004129. And on this, and just in case you can't see everything, there's a bicycle, pencil, a camper, cell phone, geotag, computers, apples, clocks, a hand, a camera, a record player, a foot, a heart, kind of like random things, but I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of retro too. Glasses, so a lot of different stuff. And I did get this one sticker set, and this is my Mind's Eye, MME, and it's called Palm Beach Puffy Set, 1995840. Fun little three-dimensional. And then I just got a couple more Richard Gray. I say Gray. How you say it? I don't know. I heard it, but I can't remember. They had a stamp set, which we didn't have this last week, but this is the Noteworthy stamp set for $3.99. 1985671. So it says, happy birthday, thanks, moments, us, noteworthy, you and me today, capture inspired, smile, and story. So it's an 11-piece set, scripted font. I like the fact that it's a noteworthy, which is the name of the collection. And so they actually have a font that goes along with that. That's how it looks stamped out. And then this one, it's called Deer Head, and this one had the price $6.99 on it, but yet all the other dies are $4.99, and they had the same amount of pieces. So I asked her, and she said, "Oh, honey, I'm just gonna give it to you for $4.99," which honestly, I can't imagine why it would be $6.99. I do think that's an error. But anyway, so she gave it to me for $4.99, and it's 1985658. So I don't know if anybody else got that one, if they paid $6.99 or did they have to pay $4.99. And then this last one, I didn't have this one in the set. I think that I have the whole set now. This was Timber, I'm Falling for You. I would log to say thanks. And like I mentioned in my other video, my son, he works for a forestry. He's a supervisor for a forestry company. So I thought this would be great to get the whole series. I can make different stuff related to it, because one, it's hard to find things masculine, and definitely hard to find something woodsy, even though he's not technically a lumberjack, but you know. This is 1985654. I just thought it would be kind of cool that I can make him different stuff with these prints on it. So I pretty much got everything that I saw in both collections by Richard Gray. So anyway, that's my haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.